Hi there. I'm here to share a little story with you, a story about how healthy habits can change lives. And it all starts right here at RKNUTRIZION. Sam, Lily, come here. I want to tell you about something that's made a big difference in our lives. Do you remember Uncle Ben? He used to feel tired all the time, but then he started coming to RKNUTRIZION. He swapped out junk food for healthy shakes. And guess what? He's now more energetic, happy, and full of life. Even your friend Emma, who was always feeling down, started making healthier choices. Now she grabs a delicious protein shake from RKNUTRIZION before running around at school and never misses a beat. And now, we're starting our own healthy journey too. These nutritious meals and shakes from RKNUTRIZION give us the energy to stay active, learn, and play. It's all about making simple choices that help us feel our best. At RKNUTRIZION, it's not just about the food. It's a place where we learn to build healthy habits one day at a time, surrounded by people who care about our well-being. Just like Uncle Ben and Emma, we're making choices that make us stronger and healthier. RK.Nutrition is helping us take that first step toward a happier, active life. Start your healthy journey today. Visit RKNUTRIZION on AG and SG College Road, Vuyuru. Whether it's a delicious shake or advice on leading a healthier life, we're here to help you build habits that last a lifetime. Healthy habits start at RK.Nutrition. Call us at 8500160156 or visit us today.